All right, people working on the Daisy Red Ryder, they have problems taking it apart. So I made a special tool. This is my prototype. But I got to sidestep a moment. When they went to this bear trap device for the trigger, these have a tendency of breaking. So what I did is I have this little bushing that goes right there, and that stabilizes the trigger assembly, and it keeps them from breaking. Anyway, so the problem is getting the anchor out. So this slides in here, and then all I do is I push down, and it comes right out, and when you push it back in, it goes right back in. Makes working on the Red Ryder a piece of cake. This is my prototype little tool. I'll do it again. It just slides in. Said you push down, and the anchor comes right out, and you can put it right back in again. So there's my special tool to make working on the Red Ryder piece of cake. I plan to make these and sell them on eBay. I'll give an update. But like I said, when it comes to the trigger, my fix for the trigger was adding this bushing. It goes right there on the right side of the trigger assembly, stabilizes that, and it keeps that from breaking. Okay.